To ensure accurate calculations, make sure your tasks have all the necessary data. First, every task must have a start and end date. Without these, the app won't know which tasks to include for a given period. You can find a list of tasks without dates in the backlog of the Resources module. If any task information is missing, you'll see a warning. The number in brackets tells you how many tasks are affected. To fix this, ensure that all tasks in the selected period have an original estimate. The easiest way to check is in the Gantt module. Just make sure the original estimate column is visible. Use the date filter to narrow down the list and the search function to find tasks that are missing estimates. Also, keep task estimates consistent. If some are estimated in story points and others in hours, they need to be in separate boxes. The Financials module can't calculate costs for mixed estimate types. If you're using team-specific rates, double-check that all tasks are assigned to a team. You can easily do this in the Resources module by switching to the team's swim lane view and setting the timeline to show the current quarter. Assign tasks to teams by either using drag and drop or by selecting a team directly in the dedicated task field. Lastly, make sure team rates are configured. The system assumes a default of $100 per hour if no rate is set. The warning disappears once all missing details are resolved, meaning everything is good to go.